The Center of Innovation program at Kanazawa Institute of Technology contributes to SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, by building next-generation infrastructure with carbon fiber composite materials, applying the backcasting approach in order to realize a safe and secure society on a global scale. Infrastructure, the foundation of industries and life, has mainly been constructed with metals and concrete in the past. Strong yet lightweight, carbon fiber is the most suitable material for the next generation of construction, but a low production scale and high costs are still an issue. COI-KIT is currently conducting research into high-speed continuous forming technology for carbon fiber composite materials. These composite materials have the potential for technological innovation in many fields. Large components made from carbon fiber composite materials are expected to be used for marine infrastructure. An exciting example is in elastic hard-wing sails used on large cargo ships. Taking advantage of the lightness and strength of carbon fiber, wind power can be leveraged to reduce the energy cost. An unprecedented large structure like this can only be realized with carbon fiber composites that are light, strong, and corrosion resistant. Carbon fiber composite materials are expected to replace iron cables that are used in various constructions such as roads, bridges, and high-rise buildings. COI-KIT has successfully made production of wire cable with carbon fiber composite materials possible by high-speed pultrusion molding technology and stranded wire processing. The cable has already seen practical use in large-scale structures. Its corrosion resistance and durability can reduce maintenance costs drastically and will contribute to the technological innovation of social infrastructure.
こちらが施工事例の泥目壁です。壁体内部の土を止めるコンクリート柱の芯材としてこのような FRP を腐食防止耐久性向上のため用いております。今後技術開発が進み安価となり適用範囲が拡大となることを期待するものです。
Perfecting high-speed continuous forming technology will lead to cost reduction and the eventual utilization in building construction. Flexible in responding to changes in design trends, carbon fiber composites are also easy to relocate and recycle after construction. Building components that have never existed before will bring about technological innovation in urban and residential infrastructure.
CFRTP は構造物の補強にシート状の材料として使われるっていうのが今まででは一般的でした。値段が下がってくるようなことがあれば、鉄筋ですとか鋼材とかっていうものの代替として構造物に広く使われるようになるということで非常に高い期待をしております。
These components have been inspected with the cooperation of NIMS, National Institute for Materials Science, towards the social implementation. When COI-KIT's research in high-speed continuous forming methods reach production readiness, carbon fiber composite materials will be used in many fields of infrastructure. In addition, new large-scale structures and designs that are lightweight, strong, and corrosion-resistant become possible. The practical applications of high-speed continuous forming technology for carbon fiber composite materials are highly anticipated, and research and development is progressing all over the world.
材料は素材から製造技術に至るまでさまざまな分野の技術を有する複数の企業との連携が不可欠です。そこで複数の企業やあるいは他の大学や研究機関等も巻き込んだ連携三々連携あるいは総合連携としての研究活動を COI 拠点のベースとなる ICC として支えていくオープンイノベーションを生み出すプラットフォームとしての機能を果たしています。
COI-KIT's goal is to create a sustainable society where problems that every human being faces are solved and no one is left behind. To do so, COI-KIT contributes to SDGs by creating entirely new industries and technological innovation with high-speed continuous forming technology for carbon fiber composite materials.